Nongñiah kali kamay na duk kitray kali, hapo kalama jong ka JSC, All Ribohoy Passenger Vehicle Association, menta kasingi kila Puk Sha Ophis u Deputy Commissioner, na duk kapor menstep ban set kutlot yaki kali jongki, hapalau jong ka Office u Deputy Commissioner ka Ribohoy, bandawa yala ka hok, kabade kabay duty bakila yarap ya kabor district, hakapor election, bat kumju hakapor ka jingwanling shop ka klam COVID-19. Na kaliang Nongñiah kali kamay kila update kui bun kenta hapalau ka Office u Deputy Commissioner, banyo ya keren bat udisi ka Ribohoy, bandawa ya ka Pisa ka baki ak kmi lenti baro shikata, bat ban panjing syai na udisi halor ka jing penslam ban siu ya ka Pisa, wat hadin ban kaliang ka kenhun Nongñiah kali kamay, kila dawa na kapor sya kapor, bat let ai ka jing thokru bun sien, sya u Deputy Commissioner, bat di ban siu no ya ka Pisa ka baki lalet duty bat ka sorkar. Katay ka jing sange kamay jong Nongñiah kali, kalakta ru ya bun ki pait ba nonglet nongwan na Ribohoy district, ki balalet sya ki jaka ba pher, bat bun na ki kila hab ban up daki kali na Assam, bat kumju ki kali shimet tang ban poy sya ki jaka baki temu ban let. Hadin ka jing ya kendu bat udisi na kaliang Nongñiah lam kila panjing syai bet halor kadaw ka jing penslam ya ka Pisa, ka baki up shitam baro shikata, ka baki syam jing wat ban pendap ya ka ying kasem, bat ban siu ki khajna kali, ha ka ba na kaliang udisi ulapun pa ba umdan Pisa menta, bat baro ka syong ha u CEO, bat ki bor ba halor ha ka ba uladep ban ya keren ru bat u CEO, halor ka jing bat ka jing ya ki jong Nongñiah kali, bat pan por ru khat san sngi ban pendap ya ka jing siu ya ki te Nongñiah kali, bat kumju ru ya ki nongsyong dukan ha ka por election, ha ka ba na kaliang Nongñiah lam kila menjur, ringkat Nongñiah kali, ringkat ka jing maham balada ki bor ba daipet, kimlak ban siu ha po khat san sngi, ki hab ban ba kli lada jia
times or memorandum. You have said that I have talked with the CEO. The CEO will take responsibility. Then why the CEO is still silent and then he is not taking any initiative, sir?
No, sir. CEO,
If we take initiative, this thing won't happen, sir, today. We don't want to come and to gather here. We also
CEO, sir, is taking up this issue today. I just had, like I told you, he's having a meeting today also. Right now, I think today itself.
Today you have a meeting, sir, because we have come here.
Today you have meeting, but how did you come to why there's no meeting? Why you don't talk about that then? Don't provide any fund for the election? Tell me that.
No, funds are there.
Funds are there. Then where's the money for the election with the government? The central provides. Where's that money then? You answer me that.
No, it does not happen like this.
What not happen like? You answer me that, sir.
I'm telling you, ma'am, it's not like this.
It's the government, the central government, long time sanction for the way. Without the sanction, there will be no election also. There will be no election. Then where's that money? We want to when that answer. When that answer. And why other district got the money when we don't get? We want that answer.
Other districts are also having pending bills.
No, they don't have pending bills.
No,
I know everything.
Yeah.
I inquire everything. So we came to know everything.
Suppose if it will take times to clear our bills, means we all the driver we won't pay our tax to the government. We won't renew. Can you make you can assure
And the
us
police are
regarding
catching
that?
every day for the tax.
Okay, I'll try to take it up with this transport department. That
Because
this can be done, exception can be
we'll
done.
wait for a few days, but if we are not getting our bill, money is also pending. We'll come and surrender all our vehicles and keep here in your compound.
I'll try to take it up with the department.
No, we won't accept, sir. You have to clarify to us
They won't
today accept when. We won't accept that when you talk, when you have the meeting. We are not there for that.
So that the main issue is that because we are waiting this COVID-19 bill, then the election bill also there. So it's make us very sad, sir.
Okay, so your COVID-19 bills, so I'll take it up. But Republic Day Independence, it is from our office only. I was not aware of this, front of this issue. So I will definitely be clear it up. Just give me 2-3 days.
Okay, sir. How many days will take time to clear our bills?
For Independence Day bill and Republic Day bill, which are from our office, it will be cleared.
Because last time also we have talked with you, then the same answer only from your side that 2-3 days. But sir, now 2-3 days, months will go, years will go. Then we also will feel very difficult, sir, to make answer our drivers.
Yes, I understand that this especially regarding COVID bills and other smaller bills which are there, has been a considerable delay. But actually, I was not completely aware of this issue. This is from our office only that will clear. Elections will also, like I've been assured, that it will be clear as soon as possible.
Because this is the first time in the history of Ribohoy delaying the election bill. So you want clearly to know
Elections will.
why this year it's happened like this.
Right. I understand there is a considerable delay. But like I said, normally it happens. Certain bills are cleared after some point of time only. There are certain bills, certain expenses during elections which come at the last moment, just at the last moment, that we do not take into account when we are not able to take into account when we are planning. That is why there are always certain bills which remain pending. But generally, what happens is it is cleared. It's always cleared after some delay, 4 and 5 months. Problem is that I understand that all our driver members of the association, all our friends here, they are facing a lot of issues because you have helped us a lot in during our elections. And now that it's our part that we have to clear our payments and all. So I'm working upon it, and I'm just assuring you that whatever bills will be pending, all will be clear.
All the district, the Jaintia, the East Khasi Hill, the West Khasi Hill, all the bills they're clear. Even the by-election already paid. Why? What about the revolt? Why vote for the revolt? That we want to know. No, we won't accept that what you said, sir. Because we have come to you also, have come personally for the COVID bill, for the election bill. But you didn't give us the clear answer. You said 1 week, and then you after that, then you said 10 days, then 1 month. We won't accept that. So we'll say when we'll receive the money, then when we'll have, then we'll have to talk. Now we will talk about it. Long time you should have talked.
I'm telling you
No, sir.
this thing.
No, we won't accept that, sir.
But
We
I cannot give you any timeline.
See, sir, this is what is this? This is life. This is our life. We earn money from here. We eat from here. We provide for the house for the family with this money, and you are doing us
We earn
like
our
we are.
livelihood.
So what we are trying to do is right now, within 15 days, we'll clear some of your payments partially. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible. Okay. So
All the
tomorrow,
payments with COVID-19 and then this election.
COVID-19 and Republic Day Independence Act will be done.
So you want that all the dues must be
Those
cleared.
will be done. Those will also be done 15 days. And the election payments also partially we will try to do within 15 days only. It will be done. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible.
Suppose if within 15 days you won't receive, then what is the assurance from your side?
I'm giving you no assurance.
Suppose
Already
15
discussed
days.
with CEOs and chief secretaries, sir. I don't think all of them are already aware of the issue. So they will clear some of your payments.
Some, not all.
Ma'am, it will take some time. And within 15 days, we'll clear your payments partially. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible.
Khatsan singi ngin am, lada hapo khatsan singi ngin yo ngin simpat da kawai karai, nomor haner kandon ni raga pisang ni hapi bat am, dan ni hap bat am. Khatsan singi ngin am, lada hapo khatsan singi ngin yo ngin simpat da kiwai patilat ng yaki ke. Karena kalong ka bajay ngin sale bat da kawai.
Đây chúng ta mình sẽ nói ông bà khát ăn chi cũng tuyệt. Các bà lạ, hadin khát ăn chi cũng tập trung ông ta.
Ang mau kita clear ni kajing dawa jungi kadai ban un clear lut eka bill ka jungi. Ngin khatsan singi ngin am. Nilai Asia katis ni, ngin Asia khatsan singi, ladangim yo aku khatsan singi ngin sa simpat da kiwai patilat ng yaki kampanya.